Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and I'm standing in front of a 68 Chevelle. This is a real SS, guys. It's a 138 car. It's got a numbers matching motor in it. You're gonna love checking it out. This baby was rotisserie restored, and we're gonna put it on the lift and show you how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look at the engine compartment. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 138 Chevelle investment. So come on up, and we're gonna fire it up right now. All right, guys, let's take a nice look at this car. It is beautiful, man. That red paint is turned on and popping. Just beautiful. I love the color. The stripe looks good. The grille looks good. The grille looks original to the car. The bumper also looks original to the car with original chrome. That goes to show you this car was very well kept since 1968. That chrome's beautiful. The bezels on the headlights look good. Now that emblem is beautiful. That emblem might actually be new. And look how that hood fits. Nice and flush to the front fender. And that paint is just about as smooth as can be. The emblem, the 396 emblem here looks good. Wheel and tire combos all brand new. Tires are new, wheels are new, trim rings are new. Doors nice and flush here. The stripe down here looks real sharp. All the stainless is in beautiful shape. The chrome on the vent window's in good shape. And I tell you what, the rubber on that vent window might also be original. Again, going to tell you, this car was very well cared for through the years. And look at that door lip there. This is always, I know everybody makes fun of me for pointing out door lips, but you know what? That tells the story on the car right now. Look how nice and clean that is. And they didn't even paint the latch when they restored it. The rubber's been replaced. The vinyl on the door panel is beautiful. The cranks look good. The panel here, the chrome looks great. Armrest is in good shape. Look at the steering wheel. Look, you can see where they wore the paint off the steering wheel. So that's definitely the original steering wheel. Isn't that cool? Beautiful interior. We got 3 seat belts in the front, 3 seat belts in the rear. Headliner's in good shape. It's still got the shoulder belts up there. The dome light's working. Dash pad looks good. The gauge faces look good. All the chrome on the dash is in beautiful shape. This thing's ready to go, guys. This is one sweet automobile right here. And check out the paintwork here. Doors nice and flush. This paint is just as soft as can be. Same thing back here with the back bumper. I do believe that's the original back bumper. The trim back here also looks good. And that SS emblem, like I said earlier, she's a real SS. And a 68, you can tell by that 138. Look inside the trunk here. Look how nice and clean it is. I see numbers stamped right here. And also the paintwork here in the gutter area looks good. The rubber looks good. The paintwork on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. The lips on the deck lid, just like the doors, beautiful. Now look down the side of the car. Look how straight that paintwork is. The body man and the painter on this car did a phenomenal job. You can see that door's lined up nice and flush. The gap looks nice and straight. That door handle also looks original to the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own all our cars here at Vanguard. We're bringing in 40 new cars every month, and we've got about 240 in stock right now. Now I'm involved in buying every one of these cars here at Vanguard. So what that should tell you is you're getting my 35 years of experience buying muscle cars and street rods so we can park your dream in your driveway. All right, we're in the 68 Chevelle now, and it's nasty outside, so we're not driving this beautiful car out there today. So we're sitting in here running, pretending like we're driving. Power steering's working good. Horn works, windshield wipers are working. We've got aftermarket radio in here. The fan's blowing on the blower. And it sounds amazing, guys. Man, it's got a great sounding exhaust system on it. And we can ship this 68 Chevelle anywhere in the world. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tommy will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. If you need help with financing, we've got bankers for that too. Give Tom a call. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. If you wanna come visit us, come on down, man. We're only 20 minutes from the airport and we're open on Saturdays if you feel like road tripping it. So check us out. We're gonna put it up in the air for you now. All right, guys, this is probably one of the nicest 68 Chevelles I've ever been under. As you can see, she's got a new tank. It's got stainless exhaust. Look at those hangers, man, are those sharp. Now, all the floorboards are primered. That looks like original metal there. This is always an Arizona car. It's got new bushings here. The chrome on the bumper looks like it's original. It's just in that nicest shape. We got a 307 gear in here. It is a 12 bolt. It is an open rear end. The brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see they all look brand new. The lines look new. The bolts and the upper control arms look new. The bushings on the lower control arms look new. We got the straps here that go, the extra reinforcing straps. The stainless mufflers are all polished up. The floorboards look good. The frame looks like it very well could have been powder coated. The back sides of the rockers look original. They even got the little rubber flapper there to let the moisture out. Isn't that cool? Bottom side of the rockers look good. The fuel line's definitely brand new. Parking brake cable's new. Now they've used these band clamps on the exhaust system, so if you ever need to take it apart, real easy to take that apart. Brake line going front to back is new. Floorboards, again, look original and they're beautiful. The trans is numbers matching, date code correct, the whole 9 yards, guys. And that rear end housing also date code correct, so we believe it's numbers matching too. The disc brakes up front, everything up here has been rebuilt. We got new bushings on the lower control arms, new brake lines here, new ball joints, the calipers, the brackets, the backing plates, the rotors. Everything is beautiful. Sway bar, idler arm, fuel pump looks new, and that is numbers matching up front here too, the power plant. Tie rod ends look new. The front frame horns are straight as an arrow. It's an air conditioning car, and that condenser does look like it's the original one. And we've got the core support looks amazing. You can tell this was really an Arizona car. And again, the front bumper looks like the original bumper, guys. This thing was just well cared for, and it's still carrying a beautiful shine. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got a great looking set of wheels, center caps, and trim rings. Looks like brand new BFGs, 225/70/15s. And look at that paintwork. I always check the back side of the fenders whenever you're looking at a car. Always feel up in here. Feel the back side of the rocker. Of course, this one feels like a brand new car. And look at that frame. She is beautiful. I always try to look inside the holes. This low area in the frame is the spot you need to look on every car when you're checking it out. And the paintwork, beautiful. The trim moldings, great. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here again, center caps look brand new, trim rings, wheels, and we do have 225/70/15s here. Another thing you need to check is where that inner wheelhouse comes out here to the quarter. It's nice and clean. Bottom side of the rocker's beautiful. We got that drain hole there. That pinch weld's gorgeous. You can still see the spot welds. And again, paintwork on the frame, beautiful. Let's get under the hood and take a look at the numbers matching motor. All right, under the hood here, of course, we got the original air conditioning. The evaporator box looks like it's new. The expansion valve, everything. All the hoses look original. All the aluminum looks good. The exhaust manifolds look like they're original. Air cleaner looks original. Firewall's nice and clean. All the lines, all the belts, all the wiring, everything beautiful. Radiator even looks like it may be original, and it's in beautiful shape. We do have a fan clutch on this car. It does have power brakes, it does have power steering. The chrome valve covers, the intake is original. Now the carburetor is the correct carburetor for the car, but there are no numbers proving that it came with this car, but we believe You know, no reason not to believe that it's not original too. That distributor is period correct, but it does look like a rebuilt unit. All the plug wires look good. Like I said, she's an amazing car, guys. What's cool about these cars is you can tell that they were really an SS from the factory because it's a 138 car, and this one's numbers matching. It don't get any better than that. It's red, it's got black interior. You're gonna love it. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.